Getting scammed in crypto can feel like a nightmare. Your money is gone, your trust is shattered, and you might not know what to do next. But don't panic. In this video, I'm giving you a clear step-by-step rescue plan for what to do if you've been scammed in crypto. Plus I'll share tips to protect yourself from future scams. Let's get started. First things first, if you've just realized you've been scammed, act fast. Every minute counts in crypto fraud cases. Unlike bank transfers, crypto transactions are almost impossible to reverse. So your speed is your best chance. Step 1. Stop all contact with the scammer immediately. If they're still messaging you, block them on every platform. Many scammers pretend to help you recover your funds if you pay them more money. This is just another scam. Don't fall for it. Step 2. Collect evidence. Take screenshots of all messages, emails, wallet addresses, transaction IDs, fake websites, and any other details you have. Save them securely. This information is critical for reporting and investigation. Step 3. Report the scam to your local authorities. File a police report or a cybercrime report. Even if they can't recover the funds, an official record helps. Catch repeat criminals and supports your case if you need to prove losses later for tax or legal purposes. Step 4. Report to your exchange or wallet provider. If the scam involved an exchange or a fake version of one, contact their support team immediately. Provide transaction IDs and all evidence. Sometimes exchanges can freeze suspicious accounts if they act quickly enough. Step 5. Report the scam to blockchain analytics and fraud reporting sites. Websites like ChainAbuse, ScamWatch, or even your country's financial regulators often have online forms to report crypto fraud. This can help prevent others from falling for the same scam. 6. Consider a blockchain forensics service. Some companies track stolen crypto across wallets and exchanges. They might be able to give you a trace report, which you can share with law enforcement. However, be cautious. Never pay random fund recovery agents who DM you. Many of them are just more scammers. Step 7. Protect your remaining funds. If you shared your wallet's private keys or seed phrase, move any leftover crypto to a new wallet immediately. Once a scammer has your keys, they can drain your wallet at any time. Step 8. Warn your network. If the scam happened through social media or a group chat, tell others right away. Scammers often reuse stolen accounts or fake identities to scam more people. Your warning can save someone else's money. Step 9. Stay calm and learn from it. Sadly, most crypto scams can't be reversed, but knowing how it happened is the first step to making sure it never happens again. So here are a few quick prevention tips for the future. Never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Use hardware wallets for large amounts. Double-check website URLs and bookmark the real ones. Be suspicious of anyone promising guaranteed returns or recovery services. Stay informed about the latest scams. Remember, crypto can offer freedom and profits, but only if you stay alert and take security seriously. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your friends so they know what to do, and subscribe. For more real-world fraud prevention tips, stay safe, protect your money, and I'll see you in the next video.